this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a horizontal happy planner as a daily journal. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. All right, here's what we're going to use to set up this horizontal happy planner as a journaling notebook. I have the happy planner. I've already switched out the discs to these cute marble discs. I grabbed a snap cover and an extra happy note, so I'll have some extra paper to go in the back, a bookmark and a dashboard. I think the bookmark's in there already, a dashboard and some washi tape. Step one is to switch out your discs if you're going to do that, and then we're going to add on this snap cover. Next, let's add some extra journaling paper in the back. You can just grab any happy notes that you like. This is lined paper. It has little dotted lines, and I prefer lined paper, but you can use whatever kind you like. I'm just gonna grab a few sheets out of this notebook. This paper is just so cute. I love it. It has little mouse ears, Disney on it. So I'm just gonna flip to the very back of this planner and add in some extra paper in the back. And then right here, I'm going to put in this dashboard. And I just wanted to show, if you have one of the new dashboards or bookmarks, you need to peel off this protective covering before you use it. So this will just go right here, which shows my place in the back of where I've been journaling. And there's some paper already in here with a bunch of my notes and journaling, whatnot, brain dump, all kinds of things. I just popped in the bookmark on the page where I am journaling in the planner. Also, I wanted to show you that I took out some of the months because I did journal in January, February, and March, but then I totally did not. I did journal still on some blank paper, which is in the back now, but I didn't do my daily journaling in between all that time until October. So the next month I have in here is October, and I've started journaling again there. So I just want to show you how I use washi tape in my journal because I absolutely love this. You can put a strip of washi tape in between your entries. So let's say you filled up that page before and you're ready to start writing on this page. I will put a strip of washi here and then start writing in my next entry. All right, so let's do that. Let's put an entry of journaling in here, and I know what we should journal about. How about ideas for journaling? Here are some ideas for you. Good ideas, right? Because when you have a place to write down your good ideas and you get in the practice of doing that daily, you will get more good ideas. So if you're trying to work on a project and you need some ideas for it, consider journaling a little bit about coming up with good ideas every day. Another one, and this is what I'm doing right now, I'm learning meditation, and so I'm working on a meditation journal. Also, sometimes we just need a brain dump and you just need to get everything out of your head and onto paper. Here is a good one, and this is just good for you, and I've done it a lot. A daily gratitude, and you can do it just as like the best thing that happened, or 3 things to be grateful for. Also, positivity. What you focus on increases. So if you want to increase positivity in your life, try journaling about positivity. Think of the good things that have happened, the good things you want to have happen. You have to focus on the positivity to make positive things happen. Then you could maybe do something about an experience, like if you're traveling and you want to journal about that every day. If you're studying something and you want to write what you've learned each day. Maybe it's a specific project that you're working on that you want to just collect your thoughts about. Maybe it's about a book that you read, book journaling, books you're reading. Also, faith journaling. Or anything goes. If you want to just practice writing, just write whatever comes into your head. The only thing I would caution is that if your head is swirling with negative things, all the things you're worried about, stressed about, it might be better to let those go and choose a new focus of where you want your mind to focus. Because and you don't want to focus yourself on all the negativity. You want to focus on positives. Leave a comment and tell me how you use your daily journal. Like, what's your topic? Do you free write in it? Do you have a specific topic like gratitude, faith journaling, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. All right, now you take a new strip of washi tape and put that here, and then you can start your next journal entry after this washi tape. That way, it's just a fun way to use washi, and it separates your days. We're gonna date that one there. In case you're not journaling every single day, you can just free journal. Also, sometimes I have a lot more words than what will fit in the planner space, and I need extra space, so I'll just go into the back to the extra paper. So what's today? Today is 10/15/21. I will put the date at the top right there and then write whatever I'm writing, and then put another piece of washi, and then start my next day right here. I really like having a blank space with the date on it to like hold a spot for me to know I need to write something in this space. All right, I'm gonna pull up a blank week that I did not write on, and I'm just gonna use this little section to show you how I would journal in a day. Let's say, like right now I'm working on meditation, so you could write that if you want. Meditation. So this is what I was looking at. I was reading a book. So you can write in your journaling notes. You can add stickers if you want to. Let's grab a sticker book and a sticker. I love these quotes in the back. How about this? Your potential is endless. So you can add a sticker in there. It doesn't quite fit there, but since I didn't write on this day, I'm gonna add it here. So here's what the process would look like daily. I will write a little something about whatever my topic is for the journal on each day, and then if I have extra things to say or write, or I want to do a brain dump or anything like that, I just come to the back section where I have extra paper, have it bookmarked here, and then I use washi tape just because I like it to mark off any journal entries. And that's it, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.